In this video, I want to share my experience owning a 2006 Toyota Prius. Back in September 2016, I purchased it with around 98,000 kilometers. Was it one of the best decisions I made? Let's find out. One of the main reasons I chose the Prius was because I noticed that many taxi drivers were using them. I soon discovered why. This car is a reliable workhorse that can take many miles. I was impressed to see Priuses with 400,000 kilometers on the clock. But it wasn't just the durability of the Prius that attracted me. I was drawn to its low fuel consumptions and reduced emissions. The fact that the car can run solely on the electric motor at low speeds for a short distance was a huge plus, which was great because I could drive in and out of my garage without any petrol fumes in the garage. I was impressed with how smoothly the petrol engine and EV motor work together. Of course, like any car, the Prius had its downsides. One notable disappointment was that it only had 2 airbags here in Australia. Additionally, I found the trunk's height slightly limiting due to it being a liftback. Wishing for a bit more vertical space to accommodate taller items more comfortably. On a positive note, the rear seats are foldable, offering ample space to easily accommodate various sizes of IKEA furniture boxes, a feature that proved quite convenient. However, a notable drawback was the restriction against installing a tow bar, which meant the options of attaching a tow bar bike rack was off the table, limiting our outdoor adventure capabilities. In spring 2019, after not using my Prius for a month, I noticed a drop in fuel efficiency from 5.2 to 6.2 liters per 100 kilometers. Shortly after, the dashboard lit up with warning lights, including the dreaded triangle of death, which, based on my online research, indicated a possible failure of the hybrid battery. A mechanic confirmed it, pinpointing a cell that could not maintain the necessary voltage, likely due to age. He presented 3 options: a new Toyota battery for $2,750 with a 7-year unlimited warranty, a refurbished battery for $1,600 with a 2-year 60,000 kilometer warranty, or a single cell replacement for $448 with a 3-month warranty, cautioning that further issues could arise unpredictably. After careful consideration, I chose the refurbished battery. Unfortunately, it took a month for the battery to arrive, delaying the repair until mid-January 2020. However, the fix was short-lived. The refurbished battery failed after just 27,316 kilometers and approximately 2.5 years. Faced with this disappointment, I decided to purchase a new hybrid battery for $2,650. But that wasn't the end of my troubles. Subsequent diagnostic revealed that the inverter, gearbox and the main power cable connecting the battery to the inverter also needed replacements. To mitigate costs, the mechanics sourced second-hand parts for the gearbox and inverter, and the total for these additional repairs came to $3,600. The repair process was further delayed by a wave of COVID flu in Australia, but the mechanic provided a courtesy car, easing the inconvenience. Finally, in January 2023, I retrieved my Prius, which had been cleaned and came with an additional 8 months of hybrid warranty as compensation for the extended downtime. From 2016 to 2022, I covered a total distance of 85,000 kilometers with my Prius, which consumes around 5.3 liters per 100 kilometers. The average fuel price in Queensland during those years was $1.48 per liter. So I spent around $6,653 on fuel. Compared to a 2022 Hyundai i30, which uses 12.3 liters of fuel per 100 kilometers on the same daily trips, I save approximately $8,786 on fuel costs. Despite incurring repair costs of $7,402 for the Prius during this time, the net savings on fuel costs compared to what would have been spent fueling a non-hybrid car like the Hyundai i30 amounted to $8,786. This results in an overall saving of $1,384. After driving my Prius for 85,046 kilometers, I finally decided it was time to say goodbye. I sold it last year feeling bittersweet about letting go of a car that had become an integral part of our life. But I knew that someone else would appreciate all the benefits of the Prius just like I did. Would I consider another hybrid? Absolutely. Despite the cost associated with repairs, I have no regrets about my Prius purchase. The fuel savings alone have more than compensated for any financial outlays on maintenance. Stay tuned as I'm excited to announce my next vehicle choice soon.